Hello, this presentation will be a look at drone technology and its application to UN Sustainable Development Goals in China. So what are drones being used for? Drones are being used in agriculture, disaster response, environmental protection, infrastructure monitoring, and more. Agricultural drones spray crops more precisely, reducing pesticide use and improving efficiency, and drones also monitor air pollution, inspect power lines, and track wildlife populations to support sustainable development efforts. So who's involved? In China, the main actors include the Chinese government, technology companies like DJI, which is a manufacturer based out of China that operates internationally, environmental agencies, agricultural workers, and humanitarian organizations. DJI, headquartered in Shenzhen, is one of the world's largest drone manufacturers and plays a major role in developing drone technology used across China and internationally. So where are drones being used in China? Drones are widely used in rural farming regions, especially in provinces like Guangdong and Heilongjiang. Drones are also deployed in major urban centers to monitor traffic congestion and pollution levels, and also in disaster-prone areas for earthquake and flood response. So to look at why we might use drones in business, we'll do a SWOT analysis of an international company that operates out of China, Alibaba, which is like their version of Amazon. So some strengths, we have faster last mile delivery to rural or hard to reach areas, improving customer satisfaction, reduced dependency on traditional delivery vehicles, lowering transportation costs in certain regions. Some weaknesses are drones can carry only small packages, limiting their usefulness for bulk shipments, and weather and technical issues can disrupt delivery schedules. Some opportunities are expansion of delivery services in remote regions of China, supporting Alibaba's logistics network, integration with AI for optimized routing, predictive demand, and inventory management. And some threats are regulatory hurdles for widespread drone use in urban areas, security, privacy, and safety concerns. These are especially issues as it pertains to public acceptance. So when did this begin? China began investing heavily in drone technology in the early 2010s, and their use expanded rapidly after 2015, when the UN adopted the SDGs. Since then, drone applications have grown as part of China's broader innovation and sustainability strategies. And how can drones be used to address two UN Sustainable Development Goals? Well, let's take a look at Sustainable Development Goal number 2, Zero Hunger. These drones can attack this goal using their improved precision agriculture capabilities. There's widespread use of drones in farms all across the world and especially in China. They help farmers monitor crop health, apply fertilizers efficiently, and increase yields while reducing environmental harm. Secondly, drones contribute to SDG 13 climate action by collecting environmental data, monitoring emissions, and tracking deforestation. This data helps policymakers make informed decisions to reduce climate impact and protect ecosystems. And to close it out, as per usual, we'll be doing two truths and a lie. So China has used drones equipped with LiDAR sensors to create high-resolution 3D maps of rural villages to support land registration and infrastructure planning. Second one is some large-scale Chinese fish farms use aerial drones to monitor water color and surface movement patterns to help predict oxygen level changes in aquaculture ponds. And lastly, China is the only country in the world where agricultural drone usage exceeds that of manned crop dusting aircraft in total treated farmland area. So the answer is actually number 2 is not true. And thanks again for watching. Have a good one.